السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. فكرة لعبة اليوم بتكون سهلة جدا، عشان بس روزا زي ما شفنا في الفيديوهات الماضية إن روزا عرفت تحفظ الأرقام بشكل رائع. الآن مشكلتنا بكتابة الرقم نفسه. كل ما احتاجنا له هو ماركر ولواصق أو رف صغير. لاحظوا إنه كتبنا هنا 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. يلا بنشوف الفكرة مع بعض، وبتكون فكرة almost like a memory game. Let's do it all together. Let's start. Knowing how to pronounce and read the numbers. What's this?
1.
This one?
2.
This one?
3.
This one?
6.
And this one?
9.
And this one?
10.
يا سلام! الآن بنلعب لعبة التحدي بين حروف الأرقام كتابة ورسما. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Okay. الآن معنا رقم number 1. Choose. Is this number 1?
No.
Let's see. It's not number 1. It's 7. Wrong.
No.
Okay. It's my turn now. Number 1. This one. Uh-oh. This is number 3. No. Okay. Choose the star. اختاري نجمة. اختاري نجمة. No, wrong. This is number 6. We need number 1. Number 1. My turn. Wait for me. My turn. Oh, this is number 3. Choose a star. Oh, 3 again. Wrong. Okay, number 1. Maybe this one. Oh, this is number 2. غلط. We need number 1. يلا اختاري ستار. 1. Oh, this is number 9. No, it's wrong. Okay, it's number 1. This one. Yes, what's that? Number 1. أنا معي نقطة. يا سلام. يلا number 2. روزا اختاري number 2. Number 2. Uh-oh. This is number 10. Wait. It's my turn. Number 2. This one, maybe. Uh-oh. This is number 5. Wrong. يلا اختاري نجمة. Oh, number 9. We need number 2. It's my turn. 5. Choose number 2.
No.
It's number
8.
8. No. يلا اختاري نجمة. Number 2. Oh, this is number 6. Wrong. I need number 2. It's my turn now. Maybe this one. Yo, salam! This is number 2. Well, number 3. Choose number 3, Rosa. Rosie? Okay. Excellent. Choose number 3. اختاري نجمة. 3? This is 4. Number... Wait. This is number...
5.
Wow, wrong. I need number 3.
3.
Number 3. Number...
8.
8. No, we need number 3. Maybe this one.
7.
No, wrong. We need number 3. Choose a star.
4.
What's this number?
4.
4. Wrong. We need number 3. It's my turn now. What's this? 9. No. Choose a star, Rosa. Rosa, choose. اختاري نجمة. 4 again. No. need number 3. Number 3. Wrong. This is number 6. We need number 3. Choose.
3.
Yes, hello. This is number 3. Excellent. Excellent. Now we need number 4. We need number
5.
4. Okay. This is number 4. No, wrong. This is 8. Choose a star.
And a 4.
I don't know. Yes, hello. Number 4. Good job. Number 5. Number 5. Maybe this one. No, wrong.
6.
This is 6. We need number 5. Choose a star.
Me.
Choose a star.
8.
This is 8. Wrong. We need number 5. Maybe this one. This is 9. Wrong. Choose, Rosa. This is 5? No. We need number 5. Maybe this one.
7.
7. Wrong. We need number 5. Choose. Yalla, Rosa. Choose. Number 5. Oh, wrong. This is number 9. Maybe this one. Yes, wrong. Yalla, number 6.
6. Yes, 6.
Yeah. Number what? 7.
7.
Wait. It's my turn. This is 7.
No.
يلا, it's your turn. اختاري نجمة. Number 7.
8. 10.
No, wrong. We need 7. Maybe this one. يا سلام. يلا. Number 8. اختاري. Number 8.
No.
What is this?
8.
This is 10. We need 8. Maybe, wait.
8.
Number 8. Okay. Number 9. This one. Ya salam. Maqsam. Number 6. يلا اطرحيها. ورجع. يا تعالي. This is for Baba. This is for Rosa. Baba, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rosa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. كانت الفكرة على عدة مراحل، والهدف كله منها للوصول للثلاث الأسئلة اللي كيف نخليهم الروزة تميز بين how old are you, how old is he, and how old is she. كما لاحظتم انه كانت الحروف كانت الارقام مكتوبة بالحروف، وانه كيف نخلي من الروزة تكون قادرة على انه to read all the numbers as you all saw together. روزا يلا تعالي بسرعة. High five. يا سلام. روزا, how old are you?
4.
Excellent. How old is he? 6. Good job. How old is she?
She 9.
She's 9. How old is he?
He 2.
He's 2. How old is she?
She 8.
زي ما لاحظتم انه روزا ما شاء الله عرفت تميز بين كل الارقام مكتوبه بدون اي ارقام مرسومه رسم. وروزا فازت! This episode was through 2 steps. First step was how to differentiate between numbers written and drawn. The other step is to know the pronoun he and the pronoun she. This is all gonna be apart from 2 other parts, how to reach the ultimate goal, which is making a whole conversation between me and Rosa. إذا أنتم الآن تلاحظوا هذه الحلقة بتكون هي الحلقة رقم 1 من سلسلة 3 حلقات. الحلقة الثانية بتكون كيف نفرق بين الناشناليتيز الكانتريز الجنسيات والمدن المختلفة، والحلقة الثالثة وهي بتكون هي الالتيميت جول، وهي هدفنا الأسمى من هذا كله الابيسود المكون من 3 حلقات، how to make a whole conversation between me and my Rosy, which is 4 years old. Don't miss it. See you next episode.